In step 4, our goal is to check the tooth peaks for intersections and trim them accordingly. But first, Gearify needs to know how your gears are connected to know which teeth are checked against which. Sometimes, Gearify can guess the connectivity, in which case it is ready for trimming the moment you enter step 4. Other times, it's not so obvious, and you must define your connections explicitly. This is achieved using the Gear Instances tree. To add an instance, first double-click the desired gear in the upper left panel to select it, and then click Add Selected to include it in your assembly. A gear instance will be cloned using the current internal-external state of the selected gear, as well as any repeat counts if it is a rack or arc gear. The first instance you add will be the root gear for your assembly. Any additional gears will be connected to that root. Later, Gearify will support creating longer gear trains, but for the moment, your assembly can only consist of one or more child gears connected to a common root gear. I recommend you pause the video for a moment to study how the connectivity dictates the instance tree organization, the choice of root gear, and the internal-external state of each instance. Take note, the root gear is connected to the children, but the child gears are not connected to each other. The tooth peaks will be trimmed only enough to remove collisions between connected gears. In other words, if the finished gears are connected arbitrarily, they may not be collision-free, unless they were marked as connected in the instance tree.